mo nsha asase so ma enti se Nyankopon nim die na nipa pese otwa so dia no way ya ma wo kwan wo ye kwasi broni wo dia wo pese awon twatwa so beba so a tra bro kire wonom na musabe mu nim nsamfo wo honom na mo wontumi nka nche ye se wo ye ambassador Emma Almighty as my American tea, no becano, and then I yenye, no, and then yenye. Better now, I want to so to me about. Nantino, Yamami ambassador, Palmos and one, and yet no becani betty, yet ye Ghana, Sabi, yet ye him, now your US sardine, yet ye him your US sardine, and to all to me, Mamma Shay, and Chenya yenye. David. Now you're nipping me to touch. No way,
Sam George, I say, no can you need any problem. What energy? Nemo no Ghana hano yeso sa asem so so mo kro mo so oba oni bema mienu tina ana bema oni mema mienu ana ayi
me se etra no ya yeru asam George so waya de wo kire se asem we baa no ono kwa na ye bema hwe parliamentarians dodo agu parliament na asem we baa ase Sam George nkwa ne bema wo Ghana mrahye bedwafie na tambia asem ono kwa tumi gina omukosi billboard na wakwakotu billboard no ogo tuagu na asem we aba na Sam George nkonja no kasa me pese me bisa se emrahye bedwafo enkae na aka no omo wo he emu mema speaker of parliament clerks ne ade omugu hono ye den mo na mo hye mra edema yen se ade ba na enya mo na makasa ade we ne farba we nye we de ye jade no kwama yewura Sam George nkwa jata ana no nkwa kasa enti parliamentarians no emra obia wonyintum no omra meka se me asemasi obenten menyintum afi akristofo mpanyifo no so mra meyom ho adi omumra meyom ho adi sabe enye gram say say nkwa no betumi akọ badisa kriti demonstration
ade we ya ma Sam George nkwa ne kire ne ma ene mo sfo money Christian council fo no
wayifa
na ai council state
down you see praise before nkwa fasting we je fasting mo we de omumra pulpit be open yes preso Methodist yes no
yes come on clear say Christian council yeah members yeah Methodist
Presby
Anglican yes enforce
and I want me to for council of elders the council of state for no oh aja Mr. anya broche nkwa na ebobra mani yeye anya broche nkwa bobra mani yeye yewura ya zoom lion na yebo na baso ayebo na baso binku ne fai anya broche na kwa sha ase ebi onya sika wie no asema ko jima ni aburuchiri kakra nya aburuchiri na shase o shase o haya state council for omo mutu ma mpanyin fo no omo wo infa state omo wo infa o di ase omo wo infa o so mra meka bi turumu di anzo so ha na yenya turumu ko ehu ho ano na ko turumu asema no yes yenya turumu ko ehu ho ano na kwa ko turumu enti momu nya asem no kwa ma yewura Sam George kwa na omunyina akwa no benkrom se eja kasamaye so omunyina akwa benkrom parliamentarians nya akwa benkrom se yewura Sam George kasama omunyina mra bonte meka se yeta Sam George achi eti ya Sam George ye nyina no ye nyina yeta na achi no obi amesan obi amesan
kono akwa se ekropon oku yes mo board on person mo ko yo be dey wachina for the account ko ejina na video we do action point ho
now kana
ejina o se e be chwe dia e dom no
eti yewura no kwa nyame anim ade enye de na enye asade we before God and man Sodom ni Gomorrah be say and am sa sebi tumu so men ka sebi po Sodom ni Gomorrah o just say abranch okotuna wo say me wo mama me de mema mo o say da bi yempe
abofo na
yes omuti empe abofo na nani ombeda edu baby na fe abofo no buafo se o de momomra wo fra wo nyina ni yesre ye ni fra kwa ye hu ho ano ye ni fra nyame abufo ema wo manimu ye hu ho ano enti e besre mpanyifo momoma oba emekasa wo ya ambassador kizo bi na hye nachi mame no ya ambassador kizo bi na hye nachi ani ti mpanyifo ye man mpanyifo mo sore nkasa menye mo ba kofo Sam George o ebema Sam George or Bema papa yesre Christian council other council for nyan obi amra meka sabi mamu nya okono fama yewura Moses for money ene ni team no kwa Davida omu nyina amra emako ne memako ne ade nyan obi amra meka fa na no metum Yakob abufuhye amaye so Yakob abufuhye amaye so kwa yehu ye ho ano na abufuhye ba yeso no way yakwa World Cup yi enya na shake for dem rat wo say wa wunim awdi ge kola kura ba ho waso ba ehye shake for kwa tumi ka kire yen shake for na tumi aka cheze yempege atade yempege mpaboa yempege bibia ewo ye kata hono ampa ye adwuma ampa ye adwuma kapu aka na odwe na ye wie omotumi insist on the right obi ankoye sebe sansamfo no hono ade no man tasman Ghana de ye trust no be certain palmer M2 sa futo no engu amana sa no way
what say Manapa Nanabaya or say hi good morning Okuma radio. My name is Nanaba Yao. Yeah, Nanaba Ojo fans and my name Nanaba Yao. Yo the way your fans Jaro. The way now.
Yeah.
I come yes, sir, cry. You make a hamane so. Yeah, Papa Moses Fo Amoni. Yeah. Papa, I can say, Obeka and a pa. Never pay better sofu. And say, Ope say,
boxing is commenting. Oh, yeah, dear Papa.
Thank you. And what's the name of Sikona? Was ready, number ding. Na or a promoter. And Okaho, a year, Sanyama, Ecoso, Efasa gay semi, Papa, Ebono body baby, and I pay, me no newo, media men, coalition, I assured as a yempany, and Masak, Aquaniano, was in summer by Americano, my Virginia Palmer, or by Besu Jana Behem, America, we are sovereign state, Demopana, we sovereign state, Sabi, ultimate one on track. That is total disrespect and disregard to our rule of law. We are sovereign state. And I pay a bit also ye or science so or lawyer ni and today or non-executive secretary at the National Coalition for proper human sexual rights and family values. Sir. Opa in case you kind of pay watching.
Oh, me and Joso. Now, it's your only way for Nina. Now, Mr. Jimmy baby, Madame for no car about World Cup. No, also World Cup no ebano. Sebi true for we no. Now, but the Argentina Capan Chemo sebi unkodi se who and by some of the countries, European countries, Denmark, UK, Portugal, Switzerland, a few of the countries you can say, almost crowd, almost your friends say. Armband. But also rainbow armband.
Gay pride, call it.
Thank you. Now, colors people there spiritually are dear from home because rainbow colors no. A young coupon, a bossa or neat lower ye. It is our colors no more bono de only back film for their own spiritual purpose. It is more money empty a day for the anti. Wow, share colors, no? Ya bompaye. You are a candidate for the Holy Spirit. So God will seize you. In this our colors, no crap there. Ya jida dada. But what the World Cup you me can say, sebi true football countries in you be you of him. What the at home? Over the soon na me free na free. You be who mu nyina free. Sebi who na wadia tum. Say Bema betu afa the Bema show Bema sebi you the true baby bini efribano you will do that yeah you see mpe masa we by force nunti ye ko World Cup they need be that ye ko World Cup Germany say before ye pe polygamy mo mpe mo nyintum ba wo ko ye polygamy wo UK and Europe e be twa to mini asma make me boa
pepe.
So penny, what is a Ghana for Yoko Germany World Cup? Yabubo Amban, Ekiko Muse Omunche, no more German from what in the what is a yes,
that be.
The Argentina Cosibu, you will not office or no one in the Nansan in India, baby, a good run. Office or no fun, no answer. Some young go to Trumuno, and Luti the day, then become all the atom. Our World Cup. Ha, I don't see any so young coupon. Any other name. Morocco, whatever they are to France, over France. I am confident that God will make sure a capital a better African Arab countries. A young Gisa is a good way into Mr. Yankupon and my essential. The bumper year power. Ghana and you do semi-finals. And secretly, Morocco for coin pandemic, but anyway, they will accept it. As I say, we get football about the more. Morocco, Egypt na 34, Morocco na 1970. Almost called the German for so Tintain. And Tunisia 1978. They were the first country to win against a World Cup match. Almost Mexico 2-1. 1982. Ubeka Algeria, your friends Lakda Beluminum, almost could try Germany for 2-1. Can they concert footballer also and West Germany boy, yeah, they would have been the first African country to qualify for the second round. And in Chad, in 1982, Morocco was the first African country, almost top of group, no qualify. To me, I say almost year, no, before you say. See a year one, you bet me a year, and I could see only 8 2 say woo and member say so. Those are the initial comments I make. Say, Yensobia, the want to say the Mokano. We are a sovereign country. It's be ho, that's the empire. Could see only because Coco entering from the say and call say, Chinchina, Yenum. As I said, no, and the win answer. And the only end of the Sebi. And let's be it doesn't make sense. Now, no about human rights, human dignity. You have to be human before you can even have rights. Well, catch me. What is human? What is dignifying? The word dignity, no, me patro watch him now what for. You can't say dignity. Watch him.
Now, it is a dignity there. Jama onipa wa husu. Ene wa hunim ene wa nyonyam chese okasa mane nyina bomu a na
thank you who can you mention wa hunim ene there be what the second one
wa hunim wa nyonyam ene wa hunim wa nyonyam na ubosu sane wa bosu sane yakopon bo wo no ejina ma bibi wo ye oba ye woni ese wo ye be me woni wose wo ye da mana
papa say watch him yi. Now, when a human rights, no dignity, no, you can say human right of dignity, a right to dignity. That's what it means. Now, I can say, what is dignifying about where they motive for one punch me? Because I'm saying to him, Bema befriend the Bema, not say baby a bini free bano, or then the Bema national fuka. What is dignifying about it? What I tell you?
I don't know crying, and the Bema in our crab, I say, be a Jana.
So thank you. See the AM question. And it is what is a lawyer be catch say it is against human dignity. So say the problem what is it is not even human, let alone a right. It doesn't make sense.
Na opinion some who can no be catch them is na say emoa ye tum say bi o sin ka mo ekura engum ye nya bi mi e say emoa krampo enye saa.
Thank you. There's a thing I make say. There's the Kenya and pro. LGBT seminar and trolling nada. In fact, book Bakwa Matro. It was written by a marketing consultant. Your friend Paul Rondo. One was say how to get America to accept LGBT. Yenda da nada a campaign. Yenda down. All the channel. Yeah, it's as news that yeah. And in Susan, so airtime na boninti. The and then the Susan, no, you fancy the only the be a mistake. Then let us talk about human rights.
Na opening form when sama ye kan asama asam kese pa o. Say Ghana e man ko wokra e man nya ba bi na empaso na hospital yen sanso ya yare hwekra yen sanso so sankrofo so be hia special hospitals ni ade ene ye wo sika na kade ya dwene wo sa
dabi enti na wo so wo say yen se mo krom wo no kra no woko UK sesia no hospital bia transgender surgery man kwara ya tum esan say omo mu kire say de omo ye ho no e kwara no ena se ye surgery mo hormones there ye transgender or transitu we are broni be say you cannot detransition so be back so unu na person be back untumi enti kwara no pra kwara no wu enti omo to hospital no mu sa US ambassador na say be say me jibi well me fax America show ebi a ono so sa ble we wo bi dire omo nya ba nya they are all lesbians and gay it's all about mo ka san se hu na Joe Biden president mo so the country is make kind document sa statement will make here mo frame no or say oh they are not talking, they want to protect our gay children I said, who will not protect gay children? How do you know the children are gay? Are you out of your mind? You walk around. So a Burma, we know he has got a Y chromosome. XY is for the male, and then XX is for the female.
Yeah.
We know. We are protecting our children. US here, there are 35 states. They have banned transgenderism for children. No from drag queens. California. We now protect your children. Listen, what is the meaning of protection? Every time we say, one TDO can I say? Do you have the right to come and protect Ghanaian children better than us? Even in your own country, go to Florida. They ban all these things. Go to Texas. All the American. So you cannot come and pray. We can't say you are protecting our children, but it's not about morality. Real in Ghana, it is about morality. Yes, now it's not even human. Say Burma, Burma, and they say true. Now can say human rights. You know, some say, "Oh, say who and call the baby." All the American. Which America? We don't allow polygamy. Say if they, I will allow polygamy.
Polygamy no kwa ye kan twi na nkrofo nti ase. Say Burma be ware ma mienu ni achiri. Ha.
Exactly. No, uko UK ni US. Omo ni ntu uko America e betu. And today, see, and pay. If you are now, Chinchina, what was all do dear no, ever see a con. No, Casse, they are not here to promote LGBT rights. Minia, Ghana for yes, who send them no Casse CCI. Joe Biden, the president of the United States, will appoint LGBTQ envoy. We have in the says so, and them senior, one number years here, one promote to, and they are not promoting. In fact, is it a month ago? No person called Indonesia. I promotion. Indonesia is a Muslim country. Almost I can say, "Mata, never what them." But when some who kodo, it's a man who he said the ambassador no can say, "Oh, they are not promoting LGBT rights. They want to protect our children." And you know, almost the Sika Bese Kromoha, many American castle, almost 3 meetings every month. Emma Ghana for journalist Sika. Some of whom some Americans in saying, side bill across our parliament, we know some MPs who have been influenced by the US embassy. I am telling you. Now US in fact, they say, oh, sir, the banks office no mobile, you know. Ambassadors no call, you know. One who say US ambassador can wear.
Yo.
And or come on, they are not promoting LGBT rights. They are actively promoting. In fact, was it last year? All the adverts that publish with daily graphics say, almost obey name now LGBT publicity. Ghana, they publish it in graphic. In fact, a buyer and a catcher graphic from Moonly, number publicity they but 2 more graphic on a month and on. So this is what I'm telling you. And the no crap.
And Mr. Famoni, no question when say yempo omchiche yemu na ompesa mo fakwa bi so na ye jo mo tum ni ade say bill ya koda parliament ache wudi enim say uye bi a wudi ache pa say ye do hin.
Oh, meaning and say bills, it takes a bit of time. Last year me am kan ho draft here from April 6th April your first meeting. Coalition no touch it said okay and we are the promoters. MPs need to be homogeneous politically, but to be honest, coalition, Ghana for Christopher, GPCC, Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, Ghana Christian Council, draft here, a prepared document in the command speaker by the end of June. By September, no more BA, no refer, say, committee. Eti I suggestion ideas on November. So the first meeting was done before Parliament rose last year. We saw processes so you can see say and chair strictly speaking. And a Parliament I think by July they had done the first reading and it was submitted to the Legal and Constitutional Committee. The Parliament saw it 31st July, no more holidays. And the July, August, but September no crano, almost the advert by say, oh no maybe a better will be a February. And to be October by October for the normal P by and they started the public hearings, I think in November or December. And I think by January, no more and a moment started to see what my mom train as a kakra. But to be honest with you, committee work now, Attorney General, and so the ideas about suggestions. If you are on air, GB one, don't work, and to be honest, me, I'm a down for Godfrey, a very good lawyer. In fact, me, I'm a friend, no more. I begin to say, well, the big room kakra. Madam Vuntimin canopy. But the African, yes, I respond. So it has gone before the committee. They are working on it. They will finalize the report and lay it before Parliament. The report of the committee will be laid. Now, a budget, no one some kind. They will say economy in here. It's what that's the only thing delaying it. Come on, later, it will be a choice that party appropriation bill by next week. Now, Parliament, sorry, January on the bar. And only the set Saturday no Wajuma. Say, we are going to the present.
Say, baby, you drew necessary, which Ghana Timamufua yeti were Christopher. I conform now was on phone. After the Ghana for yeti with the Ghana de Mama. Wadaruma, Tobuasi. Na Ekabi beach the woman, no bia, who baby, you drew ni Ubia Sadia was a way. Wadaruma yeti.
Oh, the American say, Edikaya Mompaye. Because it is a spiritual fight. So onipa da se ni ba chichire bone no ton. Let us say bibi di akiri. Aya na wo kan so na say amanfo bo adwaman amanfo so e fa mo yiri no machi na mo so e. Na me say eno nya ba ni say no e bone o. Me ba to uti what is a form association of fornicators, association of adulterers. What be that?
There be.
That be Obia ye bone a no so ma ye bone no disie na we dia ya chichiri bone na ye ton all the be no. That is the difference. Na no e obonsam numa. Sodom and Gomorrah nya na bae. It is a manifestation of the devil's ultimate power. Intimidate e kona ye kono empire bonu nyama no baba. Esa say one from pipe one tie we here. You can't win with the devil. Obonsanya men or buy. It's what is happening. May and send a nisu keke. Into a Christopher into coalition, we will say once in a month, near a born pioneer, yes, seminars, near your conference, empire bonu here, and the Church of Pentecost, Eddie and him, Saturday day fasting, and yakwa. Yenya ye techi Presbyterian fire omodi Methodist fire omodi ye guswa ye bompire na January no ye dem pa bo kese be ye na fe it will be amfa na hunyim mo ye bi fofo be bompire je Christopher. That's what I will say. Where a spiritual fight na me kai some stages me catch them say time I be pass bill we nyankopon yi bi kire me was say bill ye ka se be call queen amanfo be cassette yen amanfo be kekam wiase nyina be so ebinu na wiase nyina ba kakra bi o mo sika be kekam atia Ghana for UN so ma church no mo na enso yenya kukuduro esa se sene ono Meshach Shadrach na Abednego omo koda eyi ye friend say jatabu mu ana dari the furnace burning furnace na onu Nyankopon be ka omo ho no Nyankopon say he will be with Ghana. Sasa when the last year na nyame nsem the Ghana for nyina ehye enti Christopher wo Ghana for endo mo amo gidie no muntie me yie yenye gidie ni mo mpaye o sanse Onyankopon sa entukwaye abe aye ni ye di mo sie ni so we say hey you Ghana for parliamentarians ayo ko UN AU parliament omo ko ECOWAS parliament Ubia catch on say Ghana, we are watching you. When are you coming out with the bill? It's a possibility say clean. We are saying the picture. But yenya ratio, we am from Paibo, energy, entire parliamentarians, because me can't troubles will go through because of what is happening. You won't believe it. And that's the first point. The second point is that bill no dey ever pass you, but you see, Emra, no. It will not solve the problem. Say the Ghana hire womla against traffic offences. And so she need to every day on our roads. And to get one of the person and no and the massa no way aquaform. The aquaform ni a black pie a bebo any yam sumi all the mission. So we need to get a son yen church and yamin some ye yen yakuponi. because any bonnet, but Onyankopon see the Susan Gongon was also a bra etne. So the churches should move away from the business, but let's teach salvation and righteous living. I was saying, a year, they thrive when there is godlessness. Oh, so Onyankopon any society no more, and on a normal way, you know. On the bit no ha enti Christopher ene Muslim ye church yami something here na ye mo bra etene. And apart from that, let us talk about solutions. Obi wa of course to be able because of medical conditions, you have biological hormonal deficiencies. We should be to say the friend could do this and my church the more station so that Obama be and come by a feno testosterone. And I man no dey to be a estrogen. Se kobasa wo mu nsem wo estrogen I man no dey no ebro be ma dey no so kakra and I kwa ni mu too much than the normal. Wo be so why kojo be sia wo ye be ma wo enso wo be bre no tibia na aya tije ma dey na wo ye na hormones eno na ma ye nya atenkama wo ye be ma wo nya atenkama oba it is a ma dey no do so wo ye be ma wo ben so be nya oba atenka but what dey make am say
no.
And no, there were more the brush out and conform. And see, medical system coalition, there were what we call holistic sexual therapy system. Oba, there were psychologists, there were psychiatrists, there were doctors for counselors, and there was some penny for almost a bit of a bomb pie amount. And see, well, be was out to be anymore. Me and Kitana Mono and Tiatiano Darby. Let's encourage the person to seek help. One. And only hear me, Papa, because what person no cry, that's will be why you won't know what's up with the beer. What was at James is all one. Obviously, Sikasen on the emission. He said the female prostitution, male prostitution, so be so before to almost capa, and you walk south for no. I am no more Yajma. It's when we be out, Pio. It's a bring us a bed Massa, Sika is spending in setting these people in business, you won't believe it. Obi also oyakora aboni erepno etu oyobawo etu omubema kwa na bema hu no buku all them je only politician no we hear psychological health na as I said your medical system go ba ye bebo and we now omranu mu in fact recently now some of the MPs no e say sa de na wo omranu mu treatment and support no omu yi feel na say masa we feel ma any ye be twen we feel omranu mu because we hear say wo mo hear mo no we should help them because Sadia way is unique. Obi wa say bibi na pia na koto sabra no enti say o mo do ha o what the do assign back no same way na meka na media chat one nyemra no e na beboa embo no de emra no beba e be sisa to but say yan titi Christopher ni ye gidie no no more bra pa it will continue. Two, was find the solutions. One more was at Biano because of reasons here. Makai, was a problem. Three, a Susumasem, Tia Mompaye, and Pay no here, or Yankopon, Aquamae, Miniacatua.
Na asana baba ni so de nyasa hyene afuto ma se Ghana for was say Wesley Bekasa afade hu yie san se omo pese yusu words bi say anti-gay no imagine say anti-gay enti word that was say ye hwese ye nyusu na ankoka say ye ta wo mo
da se papa what say ye journalist ampa omo soda e no omo yusu propaganda so maka just entro entu ko ti omo tu ochirobi bigotry homaso they use words like that. Bill na any anti-gay a bill to promote proper human sexual rights and family values. Anti no more propaganda. This is what they do. Most journalists don't use those words because if you use it, then you'll be playing into their hands.
Anapebeda na mukwa mu be nyina yenim se yese krumi efe anasa kwacha de efa this kan eye emwani ade no eba na mu be hia se mu be appeal for fans akwanya ho na amanfo meso masene na ekono entimi enyemre mamo appeal no de ye hia bi papa nti ye besre wo mo bia no mo betime de me number amani pakro no ye besre no the way are under by so no mo boy man kan na me boy Church of Pentecost and Apostolic Church in particular mo boy pa
but we need more. As I said, treatment I demand hormonal treatment in Kwamini, one person, 1 month, we spend over 700 Ghana cedis. And Omoba, Omometra, Omodia, Ombedi, many easy, but Yankopon.
If you know to Mwasi, Oma Banimu, Ebeji Samoa, no.
Oh, big, so we need help for our treatment. Your hospital, your medical system, I run it. Be our sat be no yamwa, or Fremia, Medime, my administrative manager number Betija, and I'm the Mamu. Now, what you mean, Fre? Now, I'm Webio Hiano, Yabuano. Because Uba and Tony, because you hate. I know more requirements. The main service be here when you're Mexicano. It may be the blow. We've been moment music on the baby radio station. Oh, my Omokasi, we hate. I don't know more requirements. Then will be a sicker airboy. It will be about Yabuano. As I said, me the number major producer. The name of the administrative manager and number Mofra and will be a or Namadiamae. And will be also him or Fra, the one of them making available. Na ye mompae ema
Anapoya beda wase na obekọ so na ye kai se atiefo hye so enei the colors no aye mpaboa ne ntade ne bag ne ma ne nanam ye mu pese agitum na yadwene agitum se eye normal NTFC ani da ho hwekata eye se dabi ye de ye mpene eye kramofo enye mo 2 weeks mo 1 month na ba be san ye mbra ye mpene ema nei enfa nieme ba ye ne otaye ne kasa ne nieme nyina ene bosom na kaka na duru na omayom bibia awie na yenso yentimi nyina brane na ne ye nyina agitum se ye nyintum no otie kasa no keko ze minority group na send pa kakra bi ntimi kire se ne omope so me akron for right rape is all right
enya minority bia na omo ase be polygamy for no nya minority omo bo utem omo yuju bebe tumudi nya minority and I on so onye so onwe ngunu him na on ka say minority right and that's omo ka they as I said omo ni said omo ye any no won so no omo ka say be I think I am same chief omo fan chemi it I am best station I am church mu say be tumu na me kan bini no yes me pe but I was me church because they want to run away from what they do and the consequences of it. Into which them the omo ya don't so dia where they are born. They don't talk about it. They rather talk about minority rights and all. It's all a piece of rubbish. And no cre. What would that die keke? A dear minority right. Sebi what you be able to then we can allow medress or people who want to obi wa or your kleptomaniac. Kleptomaniac says they say in a hurry. No.
Obi kra before obi die.
Good, and the other guys are minority. I am one who have the sanity. We have the person to seek help. Sanity. So we will know you won't also cleft tooth. The sinner are done in and no. And so you are the corner and the surgery are corrected. That's what we do. So we have medical problem. We assess the person. We don't say carry it on. It is all right. What kind of nonsense is that? And then the place of Ambonia or Bonsama is at 2 and the check. And what to na ye no ye gira nyankopon asem so na ye ka se ye nyɛ plan ne mompaye na nyankopon ye beji na di ene ne nsem na ye di ne nsem paso no there's a correlation meaning uko UKCC last Tuesday almost the census be about say now Christianity is in the minority meaning for the first time since the 7th century 1010 since the 7th century, Christosumba UK now dominate here for almost 1,000 years, more than 2,000 years and more. Now, almost take census, Christianity about below 50%. That's what I would say. Because when you lose touch with God, that's what happened. The same thing is happening in the United States. And the Ghana for Christopher now suffer. You're not careful. Because say yes, so now prosperity and that and for Christo Somnoa, Massa, Yehovah tree. I know the idea, Yami, Papa, Minia, a buyer, queen. Aya, wa for a suit, no for a little form. Ubawus are so from penny for Cassia, can they be out to some, many out is Omokabi.
And a pekra can once say, and to Omuntimin Kabiana.
Thank you. And then I was who say, problem or a higher pound to be 20 years, problem or many, I make a job.
Asana no be sikura no yenya ne tie se brase bedwafo ni bi aswafo bi amanyofo ebi asofo ni ade asafo ni nyina e do mo hye me ne kura de ni hu ense atichafo bi kura eche nkoda na de kura bi enum ye bi a mo de mo hye mo mafa kwa bi so ene nkoda ne di san committee se nti eyasama eyoma eye national security issue a was etimi sorry waka na oman no fapem no ho ya basem.
No, sorry for the we are in touch with the Ghana Education Service. You will be a friend schools evangelism program. I designer, you go schools doing a teacher for guidance and counseling, and a lot of seminars. Yes, I say, COVID in the Bahia, but yes, I say, from next year we're starting full swing. If you to do as you know something in Ania Cabico, Omoyanquara, it will be not the to Ghana Hagini. We have our ears on the ground that monitor what is happening, and we have a lot of training programs a year running for teacher, for guidance and counseling, for nurses, so that they will be ready and they can identify the problem and bring the children to us. And one will say some of them buy a hospital, mystery to them. And we are dealing with them. And you would have we are very much on the ground. Then say most and so for come boom. Even Captain Smart let's use the platform once every week so that education will be form. Let's mama one or two performance will be share the knowledge about this issue so that together we can make Ghana a better place.
Obani and I pray you better sepa ene obre. Na yeja akwa mu akoro na eche Ghana fo se enei yese obia muani enka na ewo muani nso na ewo nei oso betra na bedi ban championship no anyu asomdwe na o dignity eye wa hunim ene wa ne onyam ene obosu no ho aye ne onyam a ebeya ma sense mekobo kwasi broni fekuo meko obi cross was in American Vicenti ene na eso ye ojitum na Ghana ha ba bi eti ye yi a eye man yankasa no pa ye dance no bre no adaje.
Mr. Dasi, but more bien so, American embassy, they have no business rejecting you your visa application. If they do on this basis, we can protest. But as you are saying, now Yanko to me so Yanko leadership so that we yes you bring a fair or no so pay us. Yami to me so, Madam Wasi.
And I bet as your name Moses for Amweni, Executive Secretary Edema Coalition for proper human sexual rights and family values. And I pay na no musem no dia to go say me ensuro na Onyankopon kan ye ho san say embasadia so no gomora ye ya ho susan so ba ya nyina hunu ya yetiye na ene ekokobo na bi som dia so brache eno no be da bi the boy
aja okasa papa fo amani wakasa ye mo na baso papa me de ade enye de na enye nukwasi me wom ni se wokasa no ana opanyin ba ko efre me na edi nko no se ye ka se obema sebe obema no yare abamu a ye sebe wakofa oba nko ana so bibia gono ni ade no se ukofa oba na sebe wako even private no one sisi no yi sebe ko tole no sisi no yi na ofa no a utiminya gono ria open your friend is here na me kwa abonte na say
no for ya dia do ko na mo sa no
say se ofa oba na oba no po se okọ toilet no one sisi no yi a bi ampa no yi na ofa na be man utiminya gonorrhea na how much mo say odo be man no ekotua ba bi a se be toilet ne wo ena say yare e ba be ba no be be kwa yi nya no aduro ena ka me se nka omra in me kasa na me kasa ba manfo be hu me ne obun ba bia me fi ne ade enti obi anim se ade no enye ade enya so de na enye me se udu omamu kromu a airport on omo exit just yempie na bi edi pie ana be bi edi wuram yeah ana na mfa enti ni wuram na mfa enti na mpie onko airport ho no mo entry and exit ese hanu na mfa betumi apie ana mfa betumi ayese ana ba ko efa pie no mfa ho wuram na le baka je yende sebe ba bia nya na wa na yenko fa ana be papa na kan minim madam for journalist ba ko o se kwa me wo de se ni wa no ye de no ka ba na be come ye ho a wa wie na se be make am for what reason edi wo fi anu mo ko ankran bebrebe TV so no we ti na ko ankran ana me tan ni me bank na nya me ade anya na nya na Jena hwe o move ko ye nkura ya se bia so nkrofo ye brebre tise kura na se a se na nkrofo ye vulnerable na yes yawu eti ye mu bi ne de ya adwese ye to pampim no ye to pampim na ansa na wo fini nkra no se na gburo che no aba be wura ho no no way
ene awofo ewo Ghana ha nyina eye okwa ese nyina so san se ye ma ho ya techuma o ma mrantie me ma mrantie nkrofo ma hwan ne obi ankoda no now they be fast benito doesn't make sense
school ba ko bi wo soro ha ode ha from remember around down no se bre ne tom na ya mpa se wom school na gu you be ku school no hands down
you do all
me na me ka you be ku school no hands down
second school ana private
a private school
just say o ti no ke e be basic
basic
teacher for na say
teacher ni ono ya na se o kire mo fra na ya mo nko site we na ode me fra nkrofo bi
na we dey me semi bisa e mo school di answer na anye bia school run na say teacher dey o cha dey on yes ade no
teacher ni
na anye bia teacher no we dey me semi kan o yoku apini
teacher ni me hwemu a wo cha dey dodo na ye ahoho wono dey ba yoku apini
for ni dey che man na
yes
ufifi bem ina ba no na ehu fi ofrim ne hina ba no ne ade no na yenye investigation em so the catch am na so dada na ye be bomu ye be do mo suko na ye hwe ne ewom ye reho
ana asori ba ko
ye reho
asori bi ba ko
ai
teacher ni ba ko onu de sa so no wadu krom teacher ni o cha de no so wadu krom lady ni so ti adu krom obi asma me kan obi anim se ye hwem na ye hu say ampa
tani ba ne ma ne ko
ani
be ma ne ko me
ani ana danu ba ku mi no wa manfo enso amanfo di kura pam no amanfo di kura nyame sha no wa pam lady no
se free chrome ha
ani
for muso ko
adu kura mi ni kwa se wonim
no hu na
so sia no o se obi a sia no kura mu wo kura no a o na so nte enti eni di akire na me ka kura pon de no sampampa na ehu se yampa Jena, obete yenka.
FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Yo, me just go bo apapi to my pa. Ubo ma ka pin no. Na mi shira to be ni my pa ubo. Na mi shira, you don't nya when in some na kan nya ma be be na high.
Okuma Radio.
Ubedi ma ya do se kana gan anko kaneu nesemfue esie kaneu brode kaneu kaneu nesemfue ukasa obe wa kasa susua ube esika kaneu nesemfue
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Ayani kemonogbo sande ponyo yetan. Fadi kamutu, abati fadi kamutu.
Okuma Radio.
Makana mbanza na da haushi.
Yapo mabaso ni eduma pa mo area boa o mine Ghana ene eduma mine nyina yakete nyakopo bishira pa eduma pa mo ni mo mama
Na si eko me na mi kini unu se. Afedi egbe furu pete o. Na mi ko zongo siko bisaya. Omo so jese okoda fu yakuyo.
Okuma Radio.
Na mi kini unu se. Afedi e mama me gen furu pete. Na mi ko zongo siko bisaya. Omo so jese fula fu sena. Kunu na chi say akosi broni chi akabra what ni botuma wanyi te
my radio
and na so dia broni bia mesia no beti mami to broni se broni bi dia wi kanewu na samfu esia kanewu brother kanewu na kanewu kanewu na samfu ade wu kasa obewu kasa so etiko kanewu na samfu
All right, just about 20 more minutes it's of the hour 10. Currently, we are just moving straight to the phone to talk to Mr. Abuaje Stewart for Predi Methodist Chapel Church. Yes, Mr. Abuaje, what's your kind of prayer, Machi? Yakopodum also
Papa.
Na ya titi asendo Yakopon ni ho afufi ama kwanhia bi atoe wada me emusam te say
Papa ya no kra na Adukrom Methodist Church I pray the society issue singing band members na yes we want to say call obosmasa correct program na atri no fa no yedu akropon no ye fa kwan bi a ye friend Akufu road so na yesane a ye fro pena kwansiam siye ama fidie no kodane e ko tobi mi fa so emunum kakra nti e prepare ti ba mu na wotase mofra no nyina ne mpanyimfo no ko tete kwase Memorial Hospital e wo mampo akuapem nti na jona na asofo mpanyimfo ne asọrọ mpanyinfo yi nyinaa di Amerika kọ họ na yekọtọ mu na sebi obi anfim na mom na opura no be sa nan de na emu yeden nti won aye minor injuries no osiesi on fefe na wo ma wonru na wo ba fie na wo aka ye ba nan no na sisa ba kwa wo fe no comfort danso na Samuel Dankwa wo mo no de na de na emu den kakranti ye de won gu hosa no pay ye be na ya ye won hu aduro na wo obi tuma be fie no aba na won so a into me ma no na ato aso ahye wo nti no ra mo tie ya na se ne eto ne nyame adom obi anfim na mo bi ni pa ba na de na emu odin kakra nso ye sere nyame se ohun omobo na onyi wo mra fie
na opani Abuaje ye misa se anyebia na uwo mbi
Daddy, me was Stewart. Nti si ya fe ne to nkra frɛ me. Na me ban so ka ho. President Abuaje. Nti me di America ko hwe won nyina as a Stewart. Na me dru ho no na superintendent minister. Ura, very Reverend George Dakwampem. Na circuit steward. Ura Oparia Sare. Kingsley. Oye juma won Manfred Rural Bank on oye manager ho. Na obako to ka ho assistant circuit steward and the lamte na sorry mpanyimfo no bi nso bae asofo nso a omo ben a omo ten council bi no bae na ye be hwe wo
na ede pa na si potin o chire ma driver ne say ede na si potin because ye nya ntia say ase na wanya call na ode ne sabako receive na ede na si potin amane bo be na wate
no kreni ni amete ya ne say onya call eno de no kreni na menni ho na ye ka ma ne tue na call mra usani bo na oforo no na ode ne sabako kura fidie no na all tie call no nti edu be no na BBC no kreni sa bibi no de minim nti obo emergency break na ma free no dane ye na ekohwe ho
Mr. Abuaje say me twa no steward na wakwe say una wo hwe akire ni ade ne esie na osenka wo hu en cry en saka kire say oko share abobo ya bi fa oko pia abobo ya bi so prekupe na ode am hye boss a break no so ni ma ye ka kire ho ya bisam
But you and run on me do you know now you say police for children and women some. Into my own and many. And I send you now and say, you better a platform. As in say message and this anointing and you're enough details.
And Temenoka said, and Nipa Nana, didn't me yet, they know me now. I am Sabia.
But you and I have been a job to me, no more, you jaw.
Na pa ma ko akọ hwe wo mu
maybe no the kind na me ne yen sofo di nkomo na matoa won yen sofo no ye yi na tiri kuma se na o san akọ eticheni onya ma akwan nti me ne no di nkomo ye bia na matoa mpanyimfo na di kan na akọ hwe won
oh yeah ente dakwa samo na ka ne wo dwumadie bi di scholarship bia na ka eni di akire wo academic city won kan na ka wo se okọ na interview na akọba ne sei ete udu ha me ne kasa ne se ni pomute se ye ni mpanifo so school be kasa na mo hunu se tibia akoni nya ne foto kra na ka ne se ne mo hunu se ade na ni enyan na bia o makwanya bia o masa apekwanya foforo bi e de amanda foforo ente ye de yakopɔ ase ye nyina atiri kwa se abone bi ansi na driver ne so se ne ekeka kɔ ne de enye obi ne kumantwi I think say a negligence care of negligence say odi nipa enkwanam odi asafo manam na wanya call no one park enti de bia metufo say o kwika card e free na bus na Nkrofo team na wetima yidu sabako na je call yesi ugina na ye call na de ne beba ana okodru na o free nipa na baka de ne beba ene hwe oyeni yakopon ani ho afuofi na bibi bonisi ya ene amabusia ene adofo bronyen komuntasem de na nyina mu no ye fasida emmo nyankopon se anyi bia no waje ye nkwa na oprade ye yawo ebekọ aken
yo papa me da se pi se ne awaka no me duba me ma dan kwa no wa ten nka na ne ekosu bia no weso da se pi papa
yo arapai ye da se bebre
yo na se nyamin kan ye ho
yo apani aboaje steward ewo aprede Dukrom society no oka ho bi enene akobasa kwa dan kwa let's say now obi owo yi dwade titru ne na enso di asorem tintima pa e no na kata sori ba ya di ba asori kwa shila mpeni hwe ne nei say that asori chi ade bibi yakobo we o
asori say 31st night ene di boru besi ho na ya pe bibi kakra
na no 11
sene be ya ebedru sika kra ya pene de dan kwato schools no enra mehwehwe mu kakra so panyi eze ne wa ya boa ye no mpanyifo ate nti opanyi ba konfre na me say ai ye general manager na ohu eye okwapenye na dawroma ye say omra emedi line enko gena omami nibi na ne wa ye say ne hu nyina ma osom no nti quiz aye no nyina no ono si anan from
local level enti asafunu mu sa keke onipa ne yakweti mu kofo a obi so me mam kanka mu ntianeka
yeah aja anona meka ye say me paso ne say megu no adanu ya ai aja
oya mamofo
aja J Mr. J ai Reginus wo boy ye boy for ya yenya 670 million na ivra ba ko ye say obi a wantumi am wo de aba ye di ivra na kire ye mfa nkoto aso no ubuka kakra bi kafu ni mutu ba bi yakinka sika no sika na ira envelope na koye
na bi aso ka say e was investigation o me no sorry no a press for no koye
ejeja me say dano me koye enra kwa me koye appeal wo amanfro kitu nipa 25 omunya 3007 plus enno na krata aba aso mpa nyifo na efrem no me nya ka me ka so muti enno na krata aba yemfa mu percentage mesin konkran kaya akwahwiasi kan yeto 1.2 billion ya de ko fita itwitwa wie ka che se obi amu ana no ebetuma adwuma 5 years 5 years na ntimi anya adwuma ya akwahwiasi driver ni okura kan we mate ni yese na lances ni ntimi fasa aka no o ja se abrantie wie school
and over forever kronya 3000 something
anu ya manfro me de ne kwase de be
na abebo de no
me de obi omunim se obi ntimi venture no podi obi ntimi
na abofo okay bro o we me na ka se kofi mami abasi mi compare but na chance on the sun and purpose venture me
yeah
we not so the venture me say vagabond venture na
vagabond venture my word is my bond me na brofo my word is my bond and say no okombe do eti general ni akoba no nipa ebo aso ni mu ada no kwa meeting akwate ya say caretakers ni adeɛ yɛhwɛ a yɛkatua so fi 150 ɛde aba ahɛ ɔmo nka nkyerɛ yɛapa committee enti asɔre deɛ atirimɔden ne ayɔmonwo kwasi agye word memoro bi aborɔ ne bɛyie asɔre dɛm wɔ yɛnkyɛni
caucus
what you say apprenti yɛatena sɛ ɛno ɛnora no obi bisa sɛ apprenti wohwɛ ne resource a ɛnora kɔ ne kyerɛ wɔ adukrom asɔre dan kakraka nom enti sɛ ɔsɔfo ba kɛbɛtena sɛ amada no wokyɛ me sɛ legone tech yàtọ̀ ní nyina wie di ọsọfo ba asọrọ panyin ba saa na ẹbẹyẹ no na okọhwẹ dankwa maame ọsẹ n'ani da so nyina ne bẹ sẹ aberante mpẹ sẹ ọyẹ doctor na ẹyẹ a ẹnti ẹbẹ srẹ aba ne sẹ asọrọ mpanyinfo ne ade obiara ewura kb so nyame nhyira paa na okwa panyin so nyame nhyira no papapapapa megye sɛ ne yɛadu deɛ ɛbɛyɛ adwuma na ọmọ aka ne nyina mu bia ɛhyɛ den
anapa yɛhwɛ neɛ ɔfɛ ba so ɔde ato us. Good morning KB, I'm listening and watching live across Akwapim. Please wish Odoya at Kwamoso a Merry Christmas for me. Odoya wɔ Kwamoso ɔfɛ Samuel so ɔfɛ maso so chapa bronya diniye enkode
anje na sɛ yɛka bronya asɛm na ɛmɔfra so bɛdi bronya no
ɛmɔfra ɛpɛ bronya no
ɛmɔfra pɛ bronya bɛdama kuma so papa
ɛnsɛm a yɛtete wɔ mɔfra pɛ bronya no ho no atɔmanfoɔ kuma so me no kɛsɛ yi si enyame ne maame obìnrin wa nana wato nkra sɛ yɛmra me fa nneɛma waboa nneɛma no nanu yɛasesa nneɛma bebree firi nkrane ade ɛde akɔkyɛ ne anim ne mmom no yɛsa prapraseɛ nti me no kɛsɛ waboa nneɛma no na yi wokɔ ɔsan broma no so no yɛbɛkɔ akɔfa ɛwɔ bie nyame kɔsɛ gye ase obìnrin wa maame ne maame nti obìnrin wa ne nana wɔsi yɛmra nneɛma fa nneɛma mama yɛ nso me no kɛsɛ waboa nneɛma no ɛnkyɛ ɔno nso bɛba bɛka ho na yɛde akɔma nkwadaa no wowɔ nneɛma a waboa no pɛ sɛ yɛbɛfa wada roma ɛwɔbɛfrɛ 0266 0265 200222 ofra mpani baba abidi nkɔmɔ pɛ sɛ wo sɛne sika anaa pɛ sɛ wo frɛ 0559 231873 na saa anigye sɛ mom ne sɛ woyɛ a wode odin na wode bronya na Christmas na wode odin aka ho deɛ bɛba yɛ MK Okuman ɛno no wode ba ɛbɛhwɛ na yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ ɛde ama wo wopɛ sɛ yɛbɔ odin a ɛbɛbɔ ne ada wase na ano maame ɛde mpaboa bebree mmono 10 pairs wasɛ mmɔ me din ansa ɛne yɛagye yɛda no ase ebi mɛka ho ɛna sika so yɛkɔ a hospital hɔ no yɛbɛkɔ yi Tetekwahye Memorial Hospital Children's Ward ɛyɛ 25th bronya da no yɛbɛkɔ ne yɛne nkwadaa no kwadaa ɔmo hospital kwadaa deɛ kabronya baa yi sɛ yɛyɛ kɛ no na mu na ɔmo gye ɔmo ani na ɔmo kɔ nkurɔfoɔ fie ɔsɛ yɛkɔ bronya na ɛne kwadaa na da hospital yi ɔmaame te ne nkyɛn enti aduane obi di ɛwɔ he maame ɔno adɔkono ɛno amo yi nso ɛne ne mɛdi bronya 25th papa ne nkwadaa wɔ fie enti ana yɛ nigye na yɛkɔ enom didi na yɛyɛ ɛmo ne ade de market trafo ne akɔ ne enom didi ne yɛbɔ nnwom ne enom sa tɔfe ne toys ne ade kwadaa ne agyagyagyagyagye na nurse fo so mo duty no pɛ kakra de ama wo mo awofo so ene maame wo no ba no monyi mienu sa aka ho na okunu ba fama ne kɔman kwadaa na ɛwɔ fie no mo sɛ nani agye nani me sere obu abɛkɔ ya tro drama no sɛ ne ɛwɔ kan awofo no ebi ni bi entimi to ne ato ne de ama kwadaa no we kura de yi no so bɛyɛ na otwi ne papa so ɔkɔba ɛyɛ ahe ne atua na okofie ebi bo sɛ ayɛ kama
baabi a maase da no wɔ Roma no maame bi yɛsɛ ne bill 9,000 nti mo yina kɔ ward bi na
ɔtwɛn so bi
ɔno ne ba yɛ baako pɛ ne ba yɛ baako pɛ
ɔkɔfa 9,000 wɔ yi
nti ne ɔkan me deɛ da bia meka sɛ bi wo sɛ maasɔre ne wɔ akura ase nti ɛba sɛ yɛnyegye mmoa na kyɛ sɛ wode abɛtɔ me die mu me deɛ kyɛ paa me ne me nkurɔfoɔ bi adi nkɔmmɔ sɛ yɛmɛfa ɛyɛ ntade bi ne adeɛ yɛbɛkɔ aba mɛka kyerɛ mo sɛ nokorɛ gye na wonu sɛ meyɛ maadeɛ mɛka kyerɛ mo sɛ ɛnyɛ nea sɛ bɔkɔprɛ gu ne yɛse fa bra ne ko pregu dia yempe ase o ko pregu ase o dia me ko pregu en dia
ma me pa body buy
ya kama try so mpacho you
na no so dade obi buy che o so me dia no me be kan ba ko da ho de be kan ho na nyina ya kama no twam a 26 eye 26 Boxing Day no na eno so no ya sasa niema bebre ntade ne ade no eye de ko Mount Zion Foster Home e orphanage wo kwa amso na yakohwe nkwadaa no ne yakoboa wo mu sanse sankoda yi woni ba bia ko
kwamo so de na of atwumasi mu nyina nhia ye ho of atwumasi ene enumere
banchene bo je mu ene nhia mankani ni nyina mu famra nkoda ne bedidi afi ye kwa mo so no bills light bill ni ade ebehwe ni etu bia ma wo mu omo yare ebehwe se odo be hospital bia no mu hia enema kakra ho a kakra kitae no so ye de beja wo mu na omo kosuku omo kom ba no beto books into what books editina o de emnisema ken wati obe na support na ye di bia ko
odan fu Mr. Danso ya Danso omo nyina
ofe maso so ma nsuo makoma kwaduenu 20 yemeje na volunteers ebe ko no numbi yefa bi jankwada no na enye kama fa de bra na yefa nkoboa sanse enyanka ne wisia ene akunafo de se wo hwe wo mu a yakopon so be hwe okwanso nkoso wakoma so ade no obisa de no ne da wani so no sankwada yi yebe makwan yi o se me ba Boas okọ wanti ho wa ha wokọ wo fa kwa me ho dawu wokọ ukugwa sankwada yi wono mo kwan oni ba bia akọ enti fasidi an so mu funumu ne ati fie de ne no ma na nye Kristo som
yena asa minu no fi Boas mo na ba ko ne ma de bai na no memenda mutwa mitam na jikakra ene maketwa biscuit ni ade na se munjo mutia yi
hone ko mo
hone ko mo bi
obu akura se bi okra fra wani me fa ne gota so obu asebe sumina so ba bi ne kofa no obu a na no dia am ko hunu hei no nwu ya ke no asebe bi na ko ne akotete no enti yesese mum ye moa sankwada yi na ebi be doctor fo abehwe o nurse fo ne lawyer fo ebi ye teacher fo shenka fo ebi ya sofo mum ye moa na ye hwe sankwada no no mbeba ye faso da bi sansa o man bia no se no ye nyanka ne wisia ne akunafo no enne kse mbobre ye mpese nyakobo be na bufuso abaye so se ye nhwe nkunafo ne nyanka ne wisia wese edin ye gitum na safo ne de omte bia no ejise ye beboa wo
afra sa pepe na ko hu mami bia oni owuro kore ko hu mami bia owo de mo ko che ne ntama ne ade no
ko energy sanse Mother's Day no Mother's Day ni kuna wo kunafo ni me nyina so adwuma ni suku nti omdaja hoko sebio wanim wayadia ma ne na ba ko Dr. Twefri ho na otidam ne koya na dwusumu na ohwe anija na ba nanima oye etu ni ade nti ye besre se yemwa pa na ebetimi ama Kwame
Okuma Radio 97.1 Okuma Radio ye dawase ye bowa baso sa afimu nyina woni ye didwuma na afia ye komodo ebeye sroko enema papi na ba enti koswatie Okuma Radio 97.1
so many day one number saba say Miri be sunny wose one running for na me say one crown and back on more be ni eja be suni na asemi jiwe wuna ayana mi yema shisemi bana say baby enti wo be sheno sara bana say baby Bejana mana yesei Baby, yeah, then around. Oh, baby, I'm I said, yes, sir. My any come up for you. Your mom wants to see back. Send your baby. Friends, you been your baby. On a sour baby. It's you who passion, no man, I say. On a sour baby.
Okuma Radio 97.1
Yeah.
your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Okuma Radio, yeah, Dawasi, yeah, Boa Basso, Sa Afimunina, 1 year Dijuma. Na Afia ye Kumono, Ebeya Sroko.
All right, so check the time, just about 2 minutes away from 10. Julia, he calls us one. I'm afraid one of my Dutch and then they besan set ye will bar or fasi unye beer. Or see if you could dine me any como, only a Dutch na your bar and carbe and sana. And ye can or him monies watching you live from my mouth for him monies if I catch my Dana Quachua, you for catch the bra. Na yetimi enfama bami
yes na odi kan aka no Bible gra say emofra nhyira omo ya chede efi Nyankopon enti se nyame de bi chewa na etumi aso bi so na de nyina etumi akonka mi say akwapama mu de ya kan emofra ni bidi ni ba bi da ombeboa amade nyina etumi akonkan afi ncheba ento ne pa nyina se ndi kan ko bi wo no mo abusuafo e won kan tamakuma ase ne ade yenuanu mu de wo mu ni bibia wo ni bida no wami kopi mu o switch dan zone abaya ska e wo mitim abranze ba kwa mehia no pa wo se ne a wo bobo no bobo no wie na ni ba kokko bam no na me say osuo no boy omutim ba bi di ago na fe mu kofi na we no mu gina ho na mo hwom so ochina o si yo ochina e beba ase mo mrante mo si yo na afia wo se kura gume enti ye mo sa mo fa no bibre wo ye ntem ne ta wo kazen home ye beko na ko bom ti obi kakra bi obia no ana me kan mesre empaguo ye di amanaka anso ye di ye de nsa wom anyinya adi ahuo ani ayensu ane de ye mpe ye sra mu de na mum ye so ye ese beka has no choice ye de you have choices and preferences ye pam chow
ba kwa me onim se ye sua de kese de ma emusia bebre mon photos wa do no me download photos ni bebre from Google photos na me man ko say o mo me abrabo
yeah
me kai say ye chrome yo
ye de bani abrabo
so mo me what life really is enti o mo ko enti famo man mra na omo meboa meso mo koda no mo ni nsuo no mo ni agori no mba fia mo so betnas very reflects ebi a situation no was yetia ye yi o enti nyina no mo fa mo ba no mra na 26 no ye ne nkofra nyina ye for donko bodom e wo man Zion na oba betu ye se ne nkoda didi bom na ye no mo bobo ye no mo bo ampe ye to oware ne ludu ni ade ebe kama no mani ajes say manfo edwi ye ho so mo doyen pa bo so manim stress o mo akwa na nche ba na se soja we fefo ma kwan a utim kwa kofa bi na bia wo so wakọ adopt bi ana se bia weekend be okra so me ba na ma bedi ana bedi o me nchen I mean let's try and show them some love
yeah o the Ghana no en friend could was na ya to mo jeje mu we senye okoma na bia kwa want say ya ebia national day bi kra for samofra no ebia ye de o mind dakro back was say sada ide ebia o mampanyi MP bia mobrofo fie ewo ompeso aso no ankakọ wona nanom woni ahemfo ne ade monko one day edi ka fi bia no ne de asi wo na nka de kọ ne de akọhwe e de enti senti we de se o manfo na se o mamra emiso okoma fo nse ye ka o mutie yen me second church 2 floors aye my master tells me no aye
Manyanti said the whole 3 local within the circuit and I said district no omunyina hia wo peace presby
okay
na kwanya bae ma omde tugwa se omanfo empropro mu aboso mu no mo fa meboa na enyanka ne nwisia ne kwade wo hospital no omanim intimi mranyam kwame ye pimo akokodo ba bia se adopt children's ward na e bia se meka se ohima bia o yo ohima bia hospital wo umpeso city district hospital no was said yes children's ward female ward and delivery ward and that's a labor ward sad means saying there that's what they say bribia no omakade no mahia de no omsaka toda anya wo hima na because ma mentuma we ba me pentuma toda kose se me to TV ekobo children's world ma no mutimi hwe bi e pese me to learning aids lego no ni ade kogo man kwada no puzzles ni ade na we be free nipa office akọ no kwa no obebu o ma 10 o ma 20 won say kwada na o man da wakoma so hunu ebeboa baby ama na wo no so omhia incubators ni ade ohimia di anim na kosra bi mo incubator na kwada no o me be preterm no premature do matum na ma me no nkwa ne akoda ne nkwa nyina ho aban mo na time ayeye so hunu
emfra monochrome hima awu nana manko aba ono na me da be kopi na school ni ne dia wo danso man ho no
me
baje you manage ye papa no so jimani no ka che say obra kwantu ye say oba cause o ye school 39 years ni
wow
nana no this school 39 years no this school ye say ai danso man ha no
so we say ba na etime twe no de anes ba we de anes ba ye kum ha
anes no ha no kunuma me se ma me no do so sen fabra no say that no mo so de to one say ai Tomveron on Kudus de ho ya o ana sha ase
ma te say say park ye wo ha de
ho ya ana sha ase no o the pictures no say ampa de ho ya e je ha no ya mu ani pa ha no kunuma me
o yide ko akoso mo ni
say etu ba bi na o mu tutu maduro board na etu maduro na adwo na
Araba Ofla construction real estate so cha o ma wa che o ka o say Dancing ubesi brand waboade be ba na chi ne brand be top blocks oba na top 500 a ye 2 bags of cement o top 1000 o jo 5 bags and ye free and be cement bro do no na ye cement free a chade na no Ofla ora obin latte foster o ye bari makasa kasa was ba betan twada so magimani masomi mu enne mo na mama kese sansa bwan takra na mane kese mo na mama Ofla enye me inti ne safia suma ka hwe ankyere mu a na mayetuafo inti ne on ne general manager Europe pare okọ omanim te papa wotuno bo akyere mu kyerɛw na wato mrantie e de ohyew so ene ohonhare so de akosite na omako akohwe de amaw na anije sem se oye real estate development into pesosi dynama wa odi opa on peso obi wona busuafo kro peso behu the boy kan na mo ofisi dan no mo am dabi odi yuani se no obesini kama quality materials na odi esi na odi amaw and the blocks no ope hollow and solid ni nyina ye di ma 5 and 6 inches na opa abo ana se ope se di nya ekogu omaw ni nyina eye Ofla Construction and Real Estate Limited for Daroma and opa wasemi cow ese eye payloader and trucks ahodo nyina odi bi high ope iron rods and cement type bia obenya bi ene cement no yo mu ahodo na me ka se ba bi wo ho mu abekọ no na akeki trick na me kire wo no yento enti egu hosegu ha ne gu hani na Ofla de ndie makoto so a che se egu trucks nya na egu truck from the ko supply enti enka fom po na campus egu ho na de ache so eye semi kese promotion enti kwa na eko afi ubebreki sabre wajo be 3000 waje eso cement na Messi fo begina so na wamma kwan na ase wabreki wudo ne ko twawisi ene wa onim de aboa emedie Sudan na ma Ofla si anyabo ke be den abrochefo ati asemde na me namfo abroche nyina frem Ofla no maje number san se ene krofo di omdwiri ma che na se ne Ofla da Roma abrochefo ko a se call international se free Belgium se free Holland ne bi free London ne bi free America bi free Spain bia omo free san se ne won say yenya trusted and tested friend or betimi aboy Ofla Construction and Real Estate Limited. Omo bonra ne say your property our priority. Oba amonochroma ho and head office no ewo ye obi ewo obosomase sana kofrodia so regional capital ye obi ewo ho eni paneni nkomo 0552957198 0594 635656 0502808992 0279012954 nani pani eni kita ho nani mantimi konkan emfa ema Radna bakery hot oven and the idea to say ne brodo no bedi no atene de no what ingredient not make any bibia wo kama margarine butter ni nyina eye hot oven bread and no idea tum ene wo come bia dwuma na hot kama wan adwuma fonta de hye wo security for headnet ni ade bibia ko so totin kama enye brodo nkwa na yewu yes sandwich, meat pie, fish pie, yes spring rolls, samosa, then ye be or chips, ahodo nyina pastries, ye bebree ho. Enya no kwa brodo no, ye wo brown bread, sugar bread, and a butter bread. Ba kwa mi kodi na no the fruit bread. They say no na me die. Ye kama papa. And a cake bread ne die. Unya no so ka ho dia. Then there's a baby wama. Say no, and ye jet too many FDA and a Ghana Standards Authority for jetum. Baby be fabia bro the coffee staff house. Yeah. Nana Santa hini buy obese ko go chochwe. Me jira na kai be jira sisa bro do kan ba ko die hot oven kwa. Somebody can for mama. Ye twema ko go chocho. Ye ko go chocho. That is a brodo no. Ya jet dia mo tun for ne entourage. Am de ko o tun for brodo deeper no one hot oven. Na me catch us president Kufuor baby de ko na me nim so hot oven. And one if you ko hot oven group president Kufuor fio na mo o chese ye kama. And si hwa enra ya oche hidi ni birthday brodo I di twa tia no pa breakfast no na hot oven. Ene baby titiru ni mama ene prema fo hia no na hot oven ginam. Enya no ko. He say baby a obi a store bi e be obi a borum. The top do won ko akona hot oven ni wa. Chese so won tum. Tan say ne no manfo no pe na wo ye no. Hot oven. Ah, yaji watum.
Eja hot oven no pe.
No baby more.
Oh, Omare Junction hono.
Thank you, Mataheko. We free to become Mate hono. Omare Junction wa hospital junction wa 055 0544 0544 0544 107016. Nani penny any kita ho.
Yeah. Eja say I 7 lessons and Carol no say beba so 9 lessons and Carol beba so 21st
and pay ye cost one penny bibia de enti e connect letters na common penny no makasa na atun sa free be sha dey for band e be bone dey atom live band kanyum na gum bia apebia no ba atom live band e ka gum dia ma
sada no dey me frantama na ayi osofo ayi so wate ba se mo be kan ba bro mo nwie ya kemfa nwuram osofo nkansa resurrection ai
ebe hu na kwa
ai o se ndo sheda to nsa frem se kwame ase mo twa me jam se papa ye ntimi nya wasada anu kura je na kura se o cham jam chia no kama di osofo ye dwa wonja 21st 9 lessons and Carol e baso ukuda be na wo pepe na gina mu kwa bi ne bese na gina mu ya bo ya no ha ye be gina mu
ababa bi e wo anapamamcha Mr. Jonathan Amofa o ye CEO de ma the Kingdom Group Bobby anapa be bo ache big bro o de waseda no e kese o no two chances so two for akwabe wona ma nkoso yi ama wa na ebia won kra bia na enye ono be susu niema ho na wa ma wo ne hunim de na wa ma ho nyansahye na utie so a you come back thanking him anapa yenche Joanna ne yenche abena o nyina e wo Kingdom Real Estate ono mo na wo ko ababa na abena was yewa abena was yewa
and then abena yewa adum live band
na wan ka wie
yeah no anova there
what do yewa
jamra yewa adum live band ba hu nyum no wede na wo pepe 21st and adum live band ba yeso ha yanim ha ene won ya to nsa from tiofrosfo mfa jama ne mra na jese yemfa nyina mu na adum live band no Madika ka say ayi etwato e wa afi mu ayi memende ya unim na de ayi kwa 24 obi ama odi ayi kwa ayi 26 enya de obi abebente ayi ne etwato no eno ani awia ban no party adore wedding engagement eno ne samu ana ye adum live band say bomode na bra na onu nye booking no kama wedding party no ana fi 9 lessons ni nyina no ofi okoma de ya bia ma from bia no won beba wonbo amobi wonbo ma nwum ye de papa wonbutu nkrobata no miensa ni nyina mu tema enkran ene kropon tema enkran ene kropon ho ana be hu adum live band wo ma chiri kwa bibia ni a wa frem panyini 0242 267-538 0242-267-538 Adom live band ombo near de papa Kojak Oracle and Procode and Procode Roma so ene kokudui Procode obi anim se kata na becho se wuti na ya wada wafa nyina ya ne ade unya Procode ni bi no mu a ebebo papa ma ho atiasi ho so ade nyina atimi akonkan ade ama eno achi no se egu yanum yi ye ngobo no bosi afa ngu yanum Davida nti wa na behwe timi twitwi so na ade nyina atimi akonkan kama ade ama na du papa na ade twitwi no ho kwa atwe kakra sabre die ebi aba papa Kojak charcoal toothpaste and toothbrush na she toothpaste no enti what of toothpaste na apose no a brush ne che ho and free and dey yenton enti ne nya se obeto toothpaste na te wanya brush no kama na all the ko eno achi no now the sensitive mouth bath no eso dey account media huru wonu na dey nyina timi akonkan e dey ama enti en kase me to Pepsodent kase me to charcoal toothpaste na kama e dey ama na dey nyina timi akonkan e dey ama e be ma se achi na na ye den wo se no so e be ye den kama na dey nyina timi akonkan e dey ama wo mutu enkran aye okanshi drug lane ho e na be hu aye Kuja farmer wasi wa pomuden Faraba any one more Blessing and Greatness Ventures omuto manti asman abutachi eku apem one gas filling station no and a boy nchen mu eno kopie mu hono mu a paint na hodo bia ese da no na enkrofo bi ya word na say paint ya mama ni be paint na nim no asa na mo ko hono say o da bi aha no de ne paint dem ana ye to ne ye paint ni pa nim na mo e bia support e bia Morocco also paint Morocco for color no the paint we nim okọ Blessing and Greatness obenya bi na dia paint ho na timi dia support ze bi man yenda so ba ko aka no afi enkane aho no manyina ne de so ne de dum no ye ta da ho eno ano ensure na de kura de water tank akase enketo ne adentem ebi waso ye wono mo afi ye POP materials ina kwa benya bi plumbing materials bathroom accessories omo ye bathroom masters to kwa on sabetu aka bi ho security doors carpenter for no didi adwin afi mason for de so sa tiles tiling cement tiling chemicals ina no kwa omenya bi e de amount TNJ made in Ghana quality corner most BNJ Zebra na one ma obi bibia ne be frem panyin 0244 50 73 10 0244 50 73 10 and after 02 06 670 009 Blessing and Greatness Ventures at the pa aswe anywhere JDK Adom Enterprise say eba cement iron rods and nadwa iron and galvanized pipe square pipe round pipe angle pipe na fi flat bar ni na no kwa mbenya bi e de asom afi more rods ahodo 5838 quarter rod full rod ni na no mbo bi e wo aswe ho no JDK Adom se modern na bre na aswe o mampon tetekwashi Memorial Hospital anim ho no ma na omo ebutu and e bro nya ben kwona kwhwe one more deal last nyina eguso asin kwasempo fu ajenwum what the last nyina eguso what the iron rod what the cement also what the no eje den pomodin ada na kwaje wo de 0244 42 95 33 na 0242 0244 mesramo 857 874 JDK Adom wasebra na beja dance woni ma papa Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited na pay minshiramo na yenko ensure fanshiramo yesi obi anton san fanshiramo busuefo mo de ma ya de papa ma ya ni o de ezan se munti na bro nyai amanfo edi ni ye papa no beje bosia eda no eye June me ka se wanya somfa so papa o ya nkran adwuma anase o ya aba adwuma o pe bosia e de atrewa adwuma no akwaban mu Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited. Wama se bra na baje bosia fatre wadwumanim na ne omu ni se unya Ghana card pa wawi bosia yedibi ama na watumi ade adi eye wudwuma onkofa esiachi batintin bia ema the Ghana card no na omu je pomodin na koji Ghana card na fa koji eye obosia na fa eye wadwuma no afi o ma kire okwa be fa so betu kakra na di nyatumi akonka di ama efi 1000 akopum eye manim ho no mo buburija 0302 0302 200 390 0302 200 390 and after 0596 928 33 Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited Sibra na mo obosia so quick London made simple and wachi eye Reginus Hotel wombutu omanti asema edukrom ho ana wono mu ebutu ana no pai ai kona kwahwe adan no yesiesie babeza se womo fie aburuche no womo ba France foi womo ba Italy Morocco womo nyina eba na zade nyina tumi akonkan kama area amount na no kwasem mo say omba no monye ba bia na so hye ene beba executive rooms, training rooms, deluxe rooms, standard rooms, economy rooms, swimming pool and enye room madam room ensuo aye dware ne putu na say utumi dem awia akwaje won kakra de afa amre mu alaje ne tumi akonkan area amount afi conference room ba bia mo conference ni ade Methodist Presby Anglican Roman Chiribentia ba bia mo come conference ni nyina no regional semumre na umaji adan no na mfanye mo conference kama bibia ni a wo hwe mo kire kwan odukru makuapem woni enka ne okre district assembly no e dia no hwe 0244 3373 0244 3373 and afi 0503 337788 Regional Hotel was a home with nature and anopai yebo awura mu dia na yeko eye ensunyame ye twoba World Cup wo mu nwie yo watchna ni besi obibimamu anya children service watchna ni jebe pa na ensunyame ye ofo ana agya nyame ya adom a omu bre aba na yedie idibie de abo omu anopa awie anwumre ni anadwo fufuo konkonte omu aduane bia pa nkwan wo ho okopie mu furu atwoba onsa betumi akabi omu wo eye the Apostolic Church kwantempo so ala kwan furu no ene kan New Road eho eno furu atwoba won mo donzi mo asore da na chi a ana mutu manfin akuapem New Road eho eno furu atwoba ewo bomodi ada na buru nya be won abusiafo no nkochwe nhya mu ho eno na monye kakra mfa mo no so 0242 01 7553 0242 01 7553 azu nyame ye twoba adwa papa so ye ene ho no mu afi otomo endra mi shia brante ne ba ko no ye me fra brante din o mpe no chia me no sere say ekoye pa otomo say afi de cry odonda so we wish you a merry Christmas otomo dwente wo na ko to brunya ho niam pa esam asichire omo the polishing paboy enkosua ede afezip ni ade to entare mu line ana material na nkasa koko to mu obenya bi afendo so pro no mu amoma eco police moma eco fire service moma eco secondary school provision provision no ne papa aka ho ne de ka asem ana ko buto mu ho no ma wosaba kwasoso ene wokọ na amrante wo mu yiyi na mame otomo nkasa wo de bibia abonu epron ebonu na oyi na osere na oche ubi onu kwa na oton ade ma abon ade ne bo wosoro na waka ne price na ja na wasere unti akura obetia you can be the otomo enterprise wo mu ya ade do de ni se ye ko ofana ji ho mu yi otomo papa enso ye so be kan obe free general say makwasi agentu ka no me fa omo bag no mienu o ta say eno ba ko ye children's home for there na ba ko ye workers ne so dia no the cook e dia ka ho otomo obaye ma yente wonka abo asadwa no enchen na otomo ewo woni brackets in ND eye enumhwe 0542 94 56 67 otomo enterprise at the papa so and hono mo pe provision papa no nyina mo nko to mo hono enye kama
I ana pay ye fast na kese emati for pakwese je encouragement and akwese citizens arment aboy and a one kasa list of kwame ne da kosa for mafo ana pay da se kwame ade ntima mekanza DJ Donzi DJ Zikibi ana pay midin e de Kofi Anson ba for so anisa nkopon bo achina ebesen ehia hana na kese ne ebusu na mu na ira na kasa emze we ne pese kasa wenti emze ebe kokon amso omgusu ye meeting ne ade ebesi bia na matiefo enso so aso ate
obi de amu nsa kwaje bosia omeka
ena na pay ye ka mo se ye nua ba Kate Kate Boatma
okay Kate mami Kate Boatma
or GCB okay kopon mini about kids.
Oh, okay.
And I pay show you no any show say enra na any birthday.
Oh,
it's happy belated birthday to you, Kate. Boatma. And I pay nakopon koswa na.
Can I commercial about no o my na fine renovation na koso.
Go so na.
Okay, o my idea.
GCB Bank.
O my idea papa GCB Bank.
Kate Akosia Adepa Boatma. Adepa
Boatma. Akosia Adepa Boatma. GCB Bank.
I pay Yamoachi. And Ras not on it, and Ochihini.
Now, order.
Na Echia. I would done right. And team kinds of Kusia onye bete kra. And Tanapain so, Yefa and Chakasie, Emma Uniaba, Lydia Ojeba.
Okay.
Platinum Foods.
Yeah.
The CEO. Happy birthday to you, Lydia Ojeba, at the pay chow. So, Kokra, and Uniaba Victoria Akufu. And run for the boss, Ochecheni, CEO for Indulgence Makeup.
Okay, Indulgence
Makeup. Okay. And that is Victoria Kufu. A very good morning and happy birthday to you. Birthday, Oyeba and Victoria Kufu.
A microphone crowd, Aba, market of foreign nail.
What's it say?
Honestly, the Osio Enkoma, Oyebano, CEO, platinum images.
Okay.
Oyeba, and Nosinya Minshan Pa.
Now, so Yenchan and Nakrobia Santi. Nakrobia Santi, I don't think any. And price so on one CEO for Asmera Restaurant Awakra. Nakrobia Santi, Oyobia. Now, so Udi, Amerima, and I don't think any.
Okay.
Edema. And price so Nira Nana and put it at Diam and Penny, a generation, no pay call him here and they call him Penny in our son mano. I fish a papa, ni more dear Pamami in some go. Send you see what call 4 months price of 4 months and you free to take it on and the Asmera, Udu Roman Raja, Asmera restaurant or no any, I don't think any. I mean, price.
And yeah, I brand to be a friend of you, Afe, or blind. Na otonyo papa na when invite me that's that na ekwa na na o mutete ho anti me maybe say kro no you afe a good time na ho na ohu nwom no na am so dem kokwa 27th am say anwumre and be lunch na maybe say o say kwa obo kro ni din na me refi kakra
okay edu ho na ya enti anapai adwuma ebe e de my mami and happy birthday to Nana Krobia Asante I don't take any of price to see you Asmera Restaurant in Accra. Okay. And from Okuma Radio, our friends and our listeners, we say we celebrate you, great woman. We appreciate your contributions towards the development of Mpraiso and that of Ghana. We wish you nothing short of love, strength, and wisdom to excel in your reign as Adonte Hene, management and staff of Okuma Radio. Mama, I pay your watch. Na pay. I could point so I'm sending him na efobu my send you some sigono. Nsinyako because wama okentemu ye ma na buafa so adapai ye moachi e ma happy birthday adwuma ebe ye de ma oni omomdo birthday ne nyina.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Choro, 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 da, choro, 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 da, choro, 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 I'm a choro, da, choro. Oh, hell yeah. I don't wanna lose you this time. I win it. No time, I'm gonna winnie, wanna your love they do me one time.